Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yolanda Monique, and I am here to share with you my Boxycharm Premium, which just showed up. So if you want to know what I got on my Boxycharm Premium for the month of October, stay tuned. So I just got this in the mail while I was doing this makeup tutorial look. So let's see what I got. I do have the little card, and I just saw a sneak peek. But save the date for November 10th. I buy so much from their pop-up and stuff. It's just ridiculous, and you get really good deals. So definitely stay tuned for November the 10th, where you get the holiday shopping all access. So don't look. Oh, I already see the products. So first thing I see, because it is literally on top. I don't know if I like how they did that. And this is the Fenty by Rihanna, and what is this? Oh, Brow MVP. And it's in dark brown. So here it is. I've been wanting to purchase this because hers has that unique brush. And I think that is just so interesting. So I got to finish using other products I'm using now for my brows, but I'm definitely interested in trying this. Let's see if the shade is even remotely close to me. It's a little hard. The pencil is a little on the hard side. That's it right there. Yeah, that'll look good on me. It's a dark brown. I can definitely do that. So let's see what Boxycharm has to say about Fenty for Rihanna. I am slowly packing up my Fenty collection through Boxycharm. The Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Stylet. It's an ultra fine retractable brow pencil made for hair-like precision, born in a groundbreaking range of 14 long-wear waterproof smudge-resistant shades, plus a built-in powder brush for effortless blending and styling. MSRP is $20. Next thing on here is the Laura Geller New York 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color, actually. And the shade is Ruby Romance. So that's it right there. That's really similar to what I have on now. So looks like they're definitely sending out the, well, this one's more red. Definitely more red. But it looks like they are sending out the reds for fall, and I'm all for it. Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color is no more air kisses. Our pure pigment formula stays true and soft. Satiny color that stays put from morning peck to morning smooches. I'm sorry, midnight smooches. The unique curved applicator hugs lips for precise application. The built-in well delivers the perfect amount of color for each application. MSRP is $21. And I actually had Boxycharm pick my product for this month's box because honestly I couldn't decide between the Kosas cream blush combo, the powder blush combo, or their liquid foundation, because I didn't, honest and truly, I didn't care which one it was, because I'd never heard of the brand, never knew anything about it, and it was taking too long to research it. So I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna let you guys pick it. So what they picked for me is the 8th Muse High Intensity, and this is the cream blush and highlighter, and so it's from Kosas. Packaging is really, I told you every video I drop something. Oh my goodness. The packaging is nice. So it's a cream blush. I didn't put any blush on, so I could actually put this on. So let me swatch them real quick. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even show you what it looked like, and I just swatched it. Okay, I really went in deep on this one. And so you can see the highlighters at the top and the blushes at the bottom. And we can try this on now since I don't have either of those on. Ooh, that's intense. And that actually matches the eye look that I'm wearing. I think I might have put on too much. So it's definitely like a mauve color. I'm not very good with cream highlighter, so this is going to be interesting. Okay, I feel like it's a really light color for the highlighter. Let me see if I can go a little more intense on the other side. So I have a lot more on the brush this side. It's definitely a really light, and it could be because the foundation is actually lifting as well. Like I can see it where I applied it. And I can tell that the foundation is lifting off of that. Let me get a smaller brush and see if I can do the inner corner and see if that'll work. So my first reaction is I want to set it. I mean, because I feel like it's too liquidy. But that's just, could be me. I'm not, and I admit I'm not the best with cream face products other than foundation. But this is another look at it. You can see where I've swatched it and kind of smeared it. So let's see what Boxycharm has to say for this one. Kosas Color and Light Palette, Powder Blush, and Highlighter. A unique blendable powder. Okay, this is not a powder. Powder, blush, and highlight palette in the versatile duos of balancing brightness, foolproof, clean, and skin cushioning formulas. Each duo is variable in 2 levels of intensity for color that complements every mood and every skin tone. MSRP is $34. So this is cream, but the paper is saying I should have gotten a powder. So I kind of wish I gotten a powder one because, like I said, I'm not very good with cream. This is going to be interesting. Don't know. I'm going to have to play with this. My first reaction is I want to clean the palette because it's kind of smearing. I mean, like, granted, I used the brush to do that, but it matches the look. That's all I can say. So next thing I see in here is the Illuminati Isa palette. I have seen reviews on this. So let's look at the colors. Some of them right off the bat I look at and I'm like, oh, this is going to be interesting. And then like this one right here, which is Izzy. Okay. That is patchy as all get out. I'm like trying to put Izzy on my hand. You see, like, I mean, it looks kind of nice, but in person it's kind of on the patchy side. I wonder if I have to apply that a little differently. Let's try Purple Dream. You know I love purple, so let's try this on the other side. That looks more like a topper. Okay, that's 3 swatches and it's on the, it's right there. So see how that looks like a topper? That would actually be a topper, like if I wanted to do that right here. Okay, it would help if it would show up. Seriously? Okay. In case y'all think I'm playing, it is seriously on my finger, but it is not moving to the eye. I'm looking at it in the mirror and it is patchy on my eye. I'm trying to, it's all on my lashes. Okay, I don't want to have one eye looking patchy and one not. That's going to make both of them patchy. Okay, let's see if I swap. Okay, so tapping it isn't working. You have to basically drag it. Okay, seriously, how much do I have to put on here? Yeah. Let's try one more. Addie is an orange. Come on, you can't. And it's, okay, that is a weird texture. Let's go across the knuckles. It feels, okay, that's Addie across the knuckles, and on my skin tone, it's not the color I thought it would be. So it's this one right here. So I'm thinking it's going to be orange, and it's not coming off orange. And why does it feel like a cream? Do the other ones feel like cream? Let's go with rose. It's like a cream to powder formula. That's interesting. I'm definitely going to have to play around with this palette. to see. I definitely will give it a fair shake. Just because other people had bad experiences with it, I'll give it its fair shake. I do know that just now I had to apply multiple finger taps and swatches to get it to show up, and I felt like that was supposed to be an eye topper. Like in the camera, I feel like you can't really see it, but in looking in the mirror, it just looks like I added like just a very brief swash of highlighter. It's not very intense, so it was definitely an eye topper. Yeah, okay, let me just show you the palette and read what Boxycharm has to say. So far, this is a questionable for me. Illuminati Cosmetics, which times Issa eyeshadow palette, has collaborated with Isabel Badia for an ultra versatile palette, created an evening glam look or a perfect daytime look. The shade ranges from pastel to bright colors and neutrals. There's a look for every person. MSRP is $48. I will say that based off what they're saying, they do have pastels, which I'll have to, pastels don't look good on me, but we'll try that. I can definitely see the bottom row being their glam, the top row being their pastels, and then the middle row being the everyday. So it's like they grouped it in pastels, the everyday, the glam, which I like. It wasn't random all over the place, but I'm curious about the formula. Like Soul is a black, and to this day, my e.l.f. palette is the best black I have. See, now that came out, it's swatched really nice. At the end it got kind of patchy, but that's okay. But overall, I'm definitely going to give it its fair share and try it to see if this is worth it. And then underneath this little foam thingy, which I don't like how whoever it was that packed this, you can see underneath here. And then they've got this box thing to make the box less deep. What was that about? Why didn't you just put a foam and put the stuff and put another foam? Okay. This is the Murad Hydration Toner, and looking forward to using this after I use up my other toner. I know this is a really good brand. So the Ultra Hydrating Alcohol-Free Toner instantly balances skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatment that follows. Sodium PHC helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extract smooth the skin. MSRP is $35. So skincare, I was curious because, you know, usually Boxycharm gives you a nice blend, and I had all makeup. And then this is To Go Exfoliating Swipes. This is what the box looks like. I'm just digging right into it. I'm so sorry, guys. So now I can dig into this. Oh, they're exfoliating pads. I knew it. Okay, wait a minute. That smells like oranges. I'm definitely going to have to save this for later. But this is the Go To Skincare Exfoliating Swipes. These single-use exfoliating pads soak in all natural solutions to get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effects of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a facial exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes. $35. So I will definitely use this not as a makeup remover, but after the fact. So give me a moment, since I have my tablet right here. We're going to add all of this up to see how much this box was. This box was $193. Let me see if I can get that in the camera view. So, I mean, I think I paid $35 for this one. This is the premium. Yeah, $35 for this box, which is, I feel like it's pretty good. I received 1, 2, 3, 4 makeup items. I was spacing out. And then 2 skincare. The only thing I'm like, there's actually 2 things. I can't say only. The blush duo, I'm going to have to work with this. I'm going to have to really try to work with this. And then the other thing that I'm like, I'm going to give it a try is this eyeshadow palette. Simply because I've seen some people's trying to do eye looks, and just my personal experience with just swatching and putting it on my eye just now as questionable. I feel like if I had to compare the two, I think the base box was bomb. And this is like, yay! Not like, but it's like, yay! Okay guys, that's it. That is everything that I got in my October premium box. Let me know what you think. I will definitely do a makeup look using these products and a few other items I've gotten from other Boxycharm boxes as well as pop-ups. But I would love to hear what you guys think about the box. Do you think it's worth it? What are you thinking about this eyeshadow palette? And if you got suggestions for your girl on how to use cream blush, I'm all ears. Thank you guys again for watching my video. I hope that you stay safe and look out for each other. Have a nice day, and I'll check you guys later on the next video. Bye.